French President Emmanuel Macron. As of the 22nd of October 2025, retreat on major reform, pension overhaul shelved. One of Macron's signature reforms, increasing the minimum retirement age from 62 to 64, passed in 2023, has been suspended for now amid political pressure. Analysts see this as a symbolic blow to Macron's reformist legacy. By shelving the toughest remaining element of his agenda, he risks being remembered as having failed to deliver structural change. The suspension also carries a fiscal price. Estimates suggest the move could widen public deficits by 13 billion euros annually by 2035 if not reversed or compensated. Public and political standing under pressure. Macron's approval ratings are extremely low, in the 14 to 16% range in some polls, with many citizens viewing him as distant from everyday concerns. The Guardian describes a narrative of broken promises, political crises, and a fragmented presidency that is losing its remaining legitimacy. Many in his own camp are reportedly dispirited, fearing that Macron's remaining time in office will be defined more by crisis management than by bold policy, foreign and security policy, diplomacy, strategic visit to Slovenia and European autonomy. Macron visited Slovenia on the 20th to the 21st of October, where he and Slovenian PM Golub reaffirmed cooperation on energy, technology, education, and logistics. In particular, they signed a declaration of intent on nuclear energy cooperation and an education agreement for 2026 to 2029. Macron framed this as part of his broader vision of European strategic autonomy. Europe should rely more on itself, produce more of its high-value chain domestically, and respond to external pressures, for example from U.S. tariffs or Chinese competition, defense, deterrence, and military investment. Macron has pushed for increased military spending. He announced an additional 6.5 billion euros over 2 years to strengthen defense against threats such as cyber attacks, nuclear proliferation, and Russian aggression. He also accelerated orders for Rafale warplanes and reinforced the plan to re-establish a fourth nuclear airbase at Luxeuil-Saint-Sauveur to host advanced jets and future hypersonic missiles. These moves reflect Macron's desire to be a leading security actor in European defense architecture, particularly amid uncertainty over U.S. commitment and rising geopolitical tension. Reaction to the Louvre robbery. In mid-October, a high-profile theft at the Louvre jewels of immeasurable heritage value made headlines. Macron condemned it as an attack on heritage, promised recovery, and pledged tightened security under the Louvre New Renaissance project. Please like, comment, subscribe, and share. Stay blessed.